Hello. In this video, I want to talk about something I was experimenting with in Aseprite, if I'm saying that right. So I was just playing with animations, and I was just looking around, and I was just trying to get like a bouncing ball. And if I play it, clearly it could have been a lot better. It looks more like a ball that's kind of jumping. Um, it's really interesting. If I had to give myself a critique, one, I would say I probably should have had more frames for a smoother animation. Two, I probably should have looked at some reference because, a lot of this I kind of did in a freehanding type of way. And when I say freehanding, I mean like, for some reason, usually when I do a lot of pixel art, I end up kind of using my shoulder and I kind of do a little bit more of a drawing aspect rather than plotting every pixel by pixel. I mean, yeah, I do plot it pixel by pixel, but I mean, it's kind of, what if I try to show you? So I was just like playing around with it to see what I can do. And I know I'm really bad, but I'm actually kind of happy that I was just able to do this. I should have turned off the onion skin. Well, you know what? I can just click. Is that the button? Yep. So we have a layer here. Oh, I should have done that. This was the last layer in it. Oh, you know what? I actually want onion skin on now. So this was like the last one, and I think I kind of jumped some frames when I did this. If I had to give another bit of a critique, it would be that I didn't look at any reference when I was doing this. So the thing is, referencing is incredibly helpful to do. It's sometimes incredibly annoying to get reference in the first place, and the reason why I say that is because, well, I speak from experience. Getting reference and hunting for it and spending time doing that could be a big pain in the ass. I don't like to swear at all, but it's something that I know, and I feel the pain of doing it because it takes a really long time to do it, and you have to know where to get it from. And it's kind of like, yeah, you have to either watch a video off some webpage or YouTube or something like that. Oops, did I mess that up? I did. But yeah, it's a bit annoying to have to do that. And I did actually make a sort of solution. I don't mean to like always be like pitching my own stuff. I wish I had a video that I can show off the top of my head, but having a way to reference some type of thing side by side is incredibly helpful. And I don't know if I made this application free, but this is an app I made called Drawsome 3. In short, it allows you to go through like a video frame by frame, and when you go frame by frame, it's also like a slideshow, so you could set it to count down until you want to go to the next frame. And probably for really smooth animation, you would want to do like every single frame, but if you want to skip some frames to make the animation a little bit faster but a little less accurate, you could do that as well. Yeah, I probably should try to gather a bunch of animation reference to do that, because I think if you would like step through it frame by frame and try to do something to the right side by side, it probably would have been a lot more helpful. And I guess I'll have to find some videos on fundamental animation principles of some sort. But I thought I'd finish this off in this video. Yeah, it's really interesting. I feel like there's a lot of ways that you can exaggerate animation, and I feel like you can get a lot of leeway with it, although I do think maintaining some level of accuracy, if possible, when it comes to it is probably a bit preferred. I need a lot more experience with animation. I mean, I say that with everything I do, and to be honest, yeah, I probably do. I don't always have the most time to pursue the things that I want to all the time when I want to, but I hope to change that in one way in the future somehow. I feel like there's a lot more that I can teach as I go, but I guess I should preview it. I like this little window. I made it really slow. What did I do? I guess I'm not exaggerating as much. You see, the problem here, the other thing I did is when I did it initially, I kind of like, I didn't do every frame, so like sometimes it's a bit fast at the beginning, and then it kind of seems like it's like slow at the end. That's because like at the end I'm adding a lot more frames, probably from like here to this frame. Like I'm adding a lot more frames compared to when I added frames from like 1 to 16. So it's like I exaggerated a lot by being fast at the beginning, but I ended up going slower at the end. And I'm kind of seeing how that kind of bites me in the ass when I don't maintain frame consistency, because it makes it look like it's going in like slow motion. Like it looks like it's initially like a hopping rabbit, then it becomes like a thing of jello, like a thing of jello flopping. Like if you ever had like a, if you understand how floppy solid jello can be, kind of like that, if that makes sense. But yeah, no, I thought I'd share this with you. As I have a lot more to learn and I don't know everything, I thought it'd be interesting to kind of share it along the way. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, well, thank you very much for listening to me. I gotta end this video because I accidentally spat on my screen, and I'm like, how did I even do that? Okay, well, thank you for listening. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like my videos, please like them. And if you have a question, please ask in the comments. Thank you. Bye.